first thing you can see, oh, you could have seen, it was a rainbow, but it disappeared just. Anyways, it's 12 degrees here in Tejeda. It looks like my trip is not going to start today, but it will. I'm on the other side of the island. I already can see spots of the sun somewhere, but because it was completely dark and raining up there near, let's say, San Mateo, or this area of more, Artenara maybe, this area. But I'm going towards Maspalomas, and you know Maspalomas, right? It's always different. But we'll see. I don't want to go on a hike in the rain. So, but I see a little bit of sun coming out. So, yeah, we'll see, guys. But the mountains here where it's raining, they look completely different. It's like, it reminds me of La Palma when I went there for the first time this year. It was raining as hell, and I was so amazed. I was thinking to myself, oh, these mountains are so beautiful, because you got different colors. You got this brownie color that, you know, when the mountain is wet, and it's completely amazing. Look at this, guys. So yeah, these mountains look bloody majestic, and in the rain, in the fog, and this kind of stuff. And I've seen just like hikers going out of the bus, and they were so excited about it that they are going for it, hit the trail right now. Yeah, I can imagine. But I'm going even further and see if I can find some even more accurate place for me. And I love this place anyway. This side of the mountains, they are so nice. This is so cool here. Yeah, like for example that one. This is crazy. This is so nice. It's so beautiful here. So beautiful. So beautiful. So yeah, this is exactly what you get. This is raining here right now, and that's the side where I came from. And there is some blue skies, and this is where I'm going. I'm going there to find. Actually, I'm gonna be probably hiking somewhere there. It's gonna be warmer and a little bit more of sun. Here is now. It's still raining and a little bit cold. So I'm going further. Okay, I found my spot. More sun and shade. And this is exactly where I wanted to go today. So this is the other side, and this is the right side there. So I got my trousers and water and shit, and let's go. Let's hit the trail again. But no, this is not going to be some shit 1 hour or 2 hour trail. Actually, I wanted to do this one as well, like some time, but because the weather is better on that side, I'm going this side. And I also wanted to go further. Last time I was there almost on the top, but that's nothing. It's not that spectacular. It's very nice here. There's no people here, But I want to go even further there and maybe see another trail that I was going from another side like many times. So I want to see where they connect. But anyways, it's really nice here, isn't it? This is the side of Santa Lucia, and here you are coming from Tejeda, and Morgan is there and Maspalomas is there somewhere. Like first big stop and a rainbow on the first stop. So it's amazing. Well, it's cold, man. It's 13 degrees, but you can definitely feel that. But it's majestic because it's cold and because it's foggy, and that's the other side of the island where it's always sunny. So if you choose to live where the sun don't hide, it's better you live in the very, very south of the island, because in the winter, which starts now, like November, let's say, starts the winter. Yeah, not really, but you know what I mean. And it's not that it's going to be cold like that all the time right now, even in the winter. When the sun hits, it's going to be way warmer. But so you know. So because I'm so close to this peak, which looks spectacular when you are driving from there, I already made pretty decent, actually pretty decent ascent, I want to say. Pretty nice ascent. So uphill, but the jacket definitely helps right now. So Presa las Niñas, getting some water at last. Good. It's so beautiful up here. But when the wind blows, okay, this is officially going to get crazier and crazier. This is the other side of the island. You can already see the ocean with the clouds above it, and actually you can see the beach, Playa de Ingles and Maspalomas from here, which is amazing. This is why I love trails like that. Look at that. Maspalomas, Playa de Ingles, and amazing clouds view in the distance on the ocean. Amazing. So I don't know where I'm going next, but this is spectacular here. This is what I wanted to do. Been behind that mountain. I always just there because I wasn't prepared. Now I'm prepared, and that's why I'm going further, somewhere or nowhere, probably. Yeah. So I hit the other side of the island. So actually, where I started, it was just exact in the middle, where, you know, because Gran Canaria is like a little continent. This is what they say. So the north part until the Cruz Grande, this is where I started. It was, you know, windy and raining, and you've seen it, right? And now I'm on the other side, and it's, look at this. It's, you know, it's completely different. It's really, it's not hot, but it's really warm. It's 20 degrees easily, and it was like 13 there. Yeah, I'm going even further, and now I can enjoy the warmth of the island. And when I will be coming back, it's gonna be colder probably, but yeah, that's why I love South so much. Oh my god, I love South. This is breathtaking, man. This views here, so good to be in nature again, man. I don't know, it's just sometimes we just sit at home and we just don't feel like going anywhere, but once you are here, you know it was the best decision. And why did I wait so long to come here, because this is it, man. Nature, being in nature, this is the best. It's healing while you're here all the time. It's just healing time. Healing time. Okay, guys, I just gotta stop and go, because I gotta go somewhere there. Just gotta get there somewhere. Hey, maybe it was the I don't know. I was just sitting there. Yeah. You gotta see them, man. You gotta see them. So, this is so cool. So cool, man. I'm just telling you, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. This trail is crazy. First of all, there's nobody here, which is always good to chill out. I mean, I heard someone, but they're probably using the road down there somewhere. Oh, oh, I don't know. Anyways, this is crazy. Nice window. Nice. This is actually pretty beautiful. You cannot see it from here, but it's like greenish. Another cave there. It's so beautiful here. Oh, I see the trail. Cool. This is where I'm going to head on. That's the trail, yeah. That's here. Nice. Guys, this is not a test. Oh, this is crazy place. So good, eh? So good. I think this is the main, let's say, part of the trail. Now I found out that I didn't know that before, because it wasn't on Google. Now it's on Google. At this peak where I was just sitting under, it has a name. Maybe you can find now this name here in the subtitles, because I don't remember. But this is the main part where I'll be heading to today, probably. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful here. I'm just telling you, this place is really next level. And the thing about Canary Islands is there's so many places, and even if you're on holidays here, look how tall this is. The thing about this place is there's so many places to go, so many mountains, so many peaks. I can see already what I wanted to see, which is, it really looks like a tree stump but I'm not going into that rabbit hole right now. But it's so cool. So I met one guy, he's just up there right now. Sitting under this peak before, just under it somewhere. And this place is next level. It's almost nobody here, just one guy I met from Germany. He showed me that I should make a traverse instead of coming down. It was a good idea, so maybe I'm going to talk to him right now soon. Yep, Maspalomas and the beach. This place is absolutely amazing. Stunning views. Guys, this is so good here. Oh my god. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, can you hear this? You only can hear the wind because this is this pine tree here. Otherwise you wouldn't hear shit. This is so cool. Nature is amazing, isn't it? But it's so high here. If I fell here, it's over, man. It's over. But listen to this. Part is it's still really hot. Like it's easily 20 something 2 or whatever. It's great.
We live in a world of choices. Every one of us is a cosmic particle that affects on the universe attraction.
One more thing I wanna to record is this. Yeah. Amazing, amazing. This is the place. This is my place. This is why I fell in love here. Like, because when I started going on the hikes here on weekends, like when I started living here in Maspalomas, this kind of peace you get here. I don't know, man. I don't know if I feel that. I'm glad that not that many people actually go here in the mountains, because you can really feel this peace here. So I just met one guy the whole day from Germany. So we start talking about hiking and stuff. Yeah, on the peak. I was just sitting right. This is the Morro de la Cruz Grande. And I was just sitting near the top. Actually, I didn't realize I actually went so far down. But yeah, I did. Whew. On my way back, the trail is more visible because I was going all the way up there around that rock, because this is the peak. But here below you can see clearly there's a nice path. Maybe not on the video, but you can see the stones here and stuff. So yeah, this is it, because my battery is dying. This is it for today's vlog, guys. If you finished it, God bless you, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Because if you did, I want to make more of these videos because it's so much fun for me too. And yeah, hope to see you on the trail somewhere in Canary Islands. I'm living here 6 years, but there is still so much I haven't seen. So I haven't seen a YouTube channel where there's like lots of these little trails around the island, maybe only the big ones. So maybe you're gonna see some more beautiful spots that you can't see normally here on this channel. Peace. Signing out. Bonus view on the way back. Because it's now even better than before, and the weather improved, so all the clouds went up north, and the place where I was, Bonus, was in straight line 13 kilometers from Teror and 20 kilometers from Maspalomas, from the Faro, which is the lighthouse. And now seriously, thanks for watching.